Yan, nakapag-lipstick na din. Then, may isang galit dito. May isang galit kasi nag-lipstick ako. And then, yan, naka-eyebrows. Then, galit ang isa dahil hindi ko daw siya nilagyan ng lipstick. Angry daw siya. Yan. Yan ang isa. Galit na galit. Are you angry? Huh? Why you are angry? Come here. Talk to me. Come here. Why? I will not give you lipstick and put... Huh? I didn't put your lipstick on your lips. Then? You look at... You're not happy. You are beautiful, even no lipstick. Lego. What do you want? What do you want? Huh? Go home. You are baby. You cannot put go home. Cannot put lipstick. Huh? Why you cry? Huh? Don't cry. Mayayay mo lips. Mayayay ang lips. You put go home. Ha? Malayay ang lips ni Shihan. No pretty na. You put lipstick. Come here. Come sit down here. Okay. Okay. You put lipstick na. No pretty na ang lips. Mayayay na ang lips sa baby. Ha? Ika no? So beautiful lips oh. Oh. Ha? Beautiful man na lips na. You always tawa ha? 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 Hey. Hoti mo na. Selos siya. Selos. Kasi wala lipstick. Umiyak na. Ay, mama pretty, ma? Mama pretty? Ha? Si Hampo pretty. Mayo lipstick. Okay, ma? Ha? Not princess na? Ha? Ay, dabe? Ikan dabe? Ikan princess be? You are not princess? Why you're not princess? You're not princess because no lipstick? Huh? Okay lang, not princess. You are Barbie. You are Barbie, man. You see Barbie. I know Barbie. Ay, nagkambata na to. Paglaki nito siya na mag-makeup sa akin. Hindi man marunong ang mama mag-makeup. Ay, nagko. Bye, bye, bye.